What's up guys, it's Michelle and
Jane,
and we're going to do a Would You Rather video for our vlogs. Okay, so let's get started.
Yeah.
Okay.
First question.
Would you rather win the lottery or live twice as long?
I mean, if you win in the lottery, you're rich. But it doesn't say anything about how many money.
It depends on how many money it is.
But I don't want to live
But it's
twice.
like mega millions.
I don't want to live twice as long.
It would be scary.
Yeah.
If we get like 100 years old,
200 years old.
oh my
and we
God.
just like old and win in the lottery.
Me too, because
It's
you have money. You can spend them on shoes and clothes and food.
especially food.
Yes, food. Okay. Would you rather live in Harry Potter's world or live the life of fame and wealth? That's easy.
That's easy.
Live the life of fame and wealth.
Yes.
Harry Potter.
I've never seen Harry Potter, so
Oh my God. What's wrong with you?
everything.
Ready?
Yes.
Would you rather wake up naked and
Wake up naked.
and sore and without any memory of the night before, next to the Burger King telling you had it your way, or wake up naked next to Ronald McDonald telling you that you were loving it? What the fuck?
Oh god. Wake up naked next to Ronald McDonald telling you that you were loving it.
I mean, like, he could have made me a burger. I mean,
Yeah,
that would
yeah.
be fine. I would love that. Because
Can you remember in the school second last week? I don't know what I call.
yeah, that was
burger. I don't want a burger.
nice.
Catherine, you know what I mean.
Anyway, yeah. I think I want to wake up next to. No, I want to wake up next to Ronald McDonald because that could be really cool.
Yeah,
I like-
just that he's there and in real person.
And he
could be
And he
funny.
had made us a burger.
Oh my god.
Would you rather have a zombie apocalypse or have a World War III? I actually don't know.
I want the zombie apocalypse because I'm like safe. I don't have a brain, so
It's actually true.
I'm safe. So that would be up to you. I chose the zombies.
I think zombies would be really cool. But
You're like you would be one of them or something.
would you rather be able to talk to animals or be able to speak all fucking language? Definitely speak to animals.
All the language because I can't speak English. So
You're pretty good right now.
no animals. I mean,
Yeah, I mean, like, imagine you could talk to your cat.
I just want to hear what they're talking about.
Oh! Would you rather live in the world where there were no problems or live in a world where you rule? Live in a world where I rule. That would be the same as no problems, you know.
I don't want to live in a world with no problem because
It would be boring.
Yeah,
So
boring.
goddamn boring. Really?
I would live in the world where are you?
Me too, but that could be really funny.
I could make the problem.
That would be good. Would you rather sacrifice your life for 10 friends or let 10 friends die for you? So, I would sacrifice my life for 10 friends. Because I don't want to live with that 5 of my friends died because of me.
Yeah, I agree.
Would you rather go back in time to kill Hitler before the Holocaust or bring back 5 dead people? Bring back 5
dead people.
Because the world would have been so different if we had killed Hitler before
Yes.
the Holocaust.
Yeah.
So,
But the world would also be different if there was.
I mean, like, if you bring back 5 dead people, if you can choose them yourself.
Yes, I would do it. I would definitely do it.
Okay.
Would you rather
have free Starbucks for a year or free iTunes Music forever? Free Starbucks, definitely.
Yesterday I was in Aarhus and there was a Starbucks.
Where in there?
Yeah, no, I don't know. I walked past it. But I want to get it. But then I saw the nail polish I bought and then I'm like, I need. So,
you should have gone to
Starbucks. What was the question?
Would you rather have free Starbucks for a year or free iTunes Music forever? I mean, like
free Starbucks for a year because we have a way to get free
music
on iPhone.
So yeah, definitely free Starbucks. And Starbucks is really good. Would you rather get a dream vacation for 2 weeks or spend 5 days with anyone in the world, but you must stay in your hometown?
I would get a dream vacation for 2 weeks.
I think that's hard because we will hang out with anyone.
Yeah, because there's no one I want to hang out with besides you.
I actually can think of one. Troye Sivan.
No, that would be awkward.
Would you rather date a celebrity of your choice or your crush / the hottest person you know? A celebrity. Because the hottest person I know is a celebrity.
The hottest person I know. No, you don't know a celebrity.
No, but
No, we don't know any hot persons.
No.
And we don't have a crush. She has a boyfriend.
So I'm actually dating one, so I can't. But if I weren't dating him and I didn't know him, then I would date a celebrity.
I can't answer that.
Would you rather be weird or be completely average with nothing special or unique about you? Weird because we are it all.
Yeah.
Anyway.
But we don't care.
Yeah.
We don't want to be boring.
Exactly.
Would you rather own a big dog or a small dog?
A small dog.
A small dog. It's such a cute.
Yes, like one of those really small dogs.
Yes, yes.
And then it's called Diva. I need one of those.
This is not enough.
We need a diva more in our lives.
Yeah.
Oh, would you rather get piercings or tattoos? Tattoos. I really want a tattoo.
I also want a tattoo. A half heart right there. And then
it's really pretty.
Yeah.
She draws it sometimes. It's really pretty. Oh my god, I got mascara! Ooh, I got mascara on my hand.
Because we've done a
blindfold makeup
challenge video, but then it stopped recording and
yes, so it's half of the video is gone.
So
oops. Would you rather have no one to show up to your wedding or your funeral? Wedding, definitely. Because funeral is like the last.
If no one is showing up, then your husband is not coming to your wedding.
No, but it wouldn't be embarrassing because there wouldn't be anyone. You know, even the priest won't be there. But at a funeral, I mean, it's the last chance you have to say goodbye.
And that would be like no one's love you.
Exactly. And that would be sad.
Yeah. But I mean, if your husband isn't coming to your wedding, that's very...
He isn't your husband yet.
But then you never get married.
I mean, like, it wouldn't be embarrassing because if your husband didn't...
And you don't die, like, I mean, they can see you.
There wouldn't be anyone. I mean, probably I won't show up.
Wedding.
Yes. Would you rather be a baby penguin or a baby monkey?
Baby penguin. Definitely a baby
monkey.
Why?
Because monkey are just so cool. I mean, like, have you seen a monkey?
No, because they're not monkeys in Denmark.
They're in zoo. Duh.
They're not really cute. They're actually,
I mean, like
crows. Penguins are cute.
Yeah,
and
but
and eyes.
Yeah, but I mean, like, if they shit in the water, right, and they swim in it, they basically swim in their own shit. And monkey doesn't swim in their own shit. Or I don't know, but because I haven't tried to be honest.
I've seen 2 penguins make a little baby penguin. That was very fun.
Yeah, okay.
Would you rather be friend-zoned by your crush or have your best friend fall in love with you?
I would rather be friend-zoned by my crush. Because
it would be awkward if your best friend fall in love. You probably talk to him about love and something.
Yes, and like, oh my god, have you seen this guy? He's so cute.
That would be very
He's so hot, you know.
But if you like him, that's okay, I guess.
I mean, again, it's you that get hurt and not the friend. So. It's talk, but you don't know why. Would you rather have your first time to be with another virgin or a slut who knows knows what he's doing? I mean, like, if he knows what he's doing, I mean,
it could be.
It could be good, but I mean, like,
it could be good or bad, because if you don't know what you're doing, then it's like,
yeah. If it was another virgin, it would actually be good, because if you mess up, you both mess up. I'm so good. But I mean, you can both mess up because it's your first time for both of you, so.
I agree. But it's so awkward to talk about.
Really?
Oh god, next. New question.
Yeah.
Check out this speaker.
It's the Would you rather go deaf in one ear or only be able to use it until 1 hour per week? Only 1 hour.
That's not very much.
If you look at me the past days, I have been on Skype for 5 hours. Yesterday I was for 10 hours. I mean,
it's because you're talking to your boyfriend the whole time.
Maybe. Could you imagine only be on? Seriously.
If my phone was like dying after I have used the 1 hour, then I could. But when I have like the opportunity to do it, I would do it. But no, I would go deaf in 1 year.
Yes, exactly.
Would you rather look young until you die, or be
granted not to die from a disease?
I would definitely look young until I die.
That would be excellent. Old. I mean, like, that would be so great.
Yeah.
Look young and not old.
When you get like 40, and there's so many hot guys which are not
would like to, you know, think she's that because she looks young. Oh, I mean, like, my mom actually, she is 49. She's old. She's almost 50, and everybody thinks that she's 39 about that because she looks actually pretty young.
Yeah, she does. She also acts really young.
Sometimes
she's so
you
funny.
should think that she's a teenager.
Yeah,
but
she wants to date Harry Styles.
And then she said, Michelle, we can go on a double date. You can go on a date with Niall. And I'm like, yeah, mom, my date is older than yours.
Exactly. I would look young until I die. But I don't want to look like I look now. I want to look like what I look when I'm like 20.
Yeah. I hope you're ugly when you're 20 then.
Oh my god!
Sorry. You're going to be
all night long. What do we?
We are going to create a YouTube channel. Which this is on. This video is on YouTube. And you should subscribe to that and like and comment below.
Don't comment at all.
No, don't comment. We dare you.
This is quite fun.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. We forgot to say something.
This video would be on both our blogs, and
you should follow.
If you're on YouTube, then the blogs will be in the description.
Yes. Yeah. I'm gonna do my thing.
Bye.